Welcome back to Tech Mania. In today's connected world, having enough power outlets and charging ports is a constant challenge. But the HANYCONY Power Strip Surge Protector aims to solve this with its innovative three-sided design and comprehensive power options. If you're tired of daisy-chaining power strips or struggling with limited USB charging, this review is for you. Check the description for the purchase link and subscribe for more smart home solutions. The HANYCONY Power Strip features 8 AC outlets arranged across 3 sides, providing exceptional accessibility for large power adapters that typically block adjacent outlets in traditional power strips. This intelligent design means you can use all 8 outlets simultaneously without any space conflicts, making it perfect for home offices, entertainment centers, and workshops where multiple devices need power. The charging capabilities are equally impressive with 4 USB ports, including 2 modern USB-C ports that support faster charging for compatible devices. This means you can charge your smartphone, tablet, smartwatch, and other USB devices directly without occupying the AC outlets. The total USB output is optimized to deliver efficient power distribution across all connected devices. Safety is a top priority with ETL certification and robust surge protection that safeguards your valuable electronics from voltage spikes and power surges. The 5-foot extension cord provides flexibility in placement, while the flat plug design ensures it sits flush against the wall, preventing it from blocking nearby outlets. The built-in wall mount option allows for permanent installation in workshops or behind furniture for a cleaner look. The build quality is solid with a fire-resistant casing and individual safety shutters on each AC outlet. The LED power indicator lets you know when the unit is energized, and the overall design is both functional and aesthetically pleasing. The compact footprint belies its extensive capabilities, making it surprisingly space-efficient for its feature set. The HANYCONY Power Strip is ideal for home office workers with multiple monitors and devices, gamers with extensive equipment, students in dorm rooms, or any household needing to power and charge numerous electronics safely and efficiently. It represents the evolution of the traditional power strip into a complete charging station. How many devices do you typically have plugged in at your desk? Let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching Tech Mania.